What if I told you this tiny cube could become one of the most addictive, long-lasting body scents you've ever worn? Most people use these famous Abdul Samad Al Qurashi Musk Cubes as they are, but today I'm turning one into a luxurious body oil that can stay on your skin for hours and smell incredibly rich. The process looks ridiculously simple. Just grate the cube and mix it with oil. But here's the thing, do it the wrong way and you can completely ruin the texture, performance, and scent. So today I'm going to show you the right method to transform these iconic musk cubes into a personal body musk that captures the true soul of Arabian perfumery. If you're into fragrances, you've almost certainly heard of the legendary Abdul Samad Al Qurashi Musk Cubes. If you are new to the channel, I am here to give you the truth. Welcome to Scent Analysis. We go beyond the first spray to track performance hours later. Join our community of fragrance lovers who want facts, not fluff. First, the star of the show, the solid musk cube. Use the authentic brand. There are a lot of imitations, but for that beautiful, true fragrance, you need the real deal. We only need one cube for this recipe, which tells you how concentrated they are. Next, you need a carrier oil. This is our liquid base that will carry the scent. I have seen this done with baby oil, which works. You can also use blend of jojoba oil and sweet almond oil. Jojoba oil is amazing because it's structurally similar to our skin's natural oils, so it absorbs beautifully without feeling greasy. We're using a Dream Team combo, fractionated coconut oil and sweet almond oil. The fractionated coconut oil is super lightweight and totally odorless. And last, you just need a pretty little container. I'm using a small glass jar. You'll also need a double boiler, but don't worry if you don't have one, because I have a simple trick to show you, alright? First things first, we need to turn this solid cube into a fine powder. We're taking our beautiful, simple ingredients and turning them into something special. For tools, you just need basic kitchen stuff. First, a small grater, a cheese grater, or a zester is perfect. Grating the cube into a fine powder is a critical step because it increases the surface area and helps it infuse into the oil. First step, grating the cube as I start grating. The cube grinds down into this fluffy, snow-like powder that's so satisfying to watch. The goal is to grate the whole cube as finely as possible. The finer the powder, the better it will infuse into the oil. Now that we have our fragrant powder, it's time to infuse. Now for the oil base, in this graduated cylinder, I'm pouring a blend of about 30 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil and sweet almond oil. Next, and this is a key step, we need to gently warm the oils. This will help the musk infuse beautifully. You can use a proper double boiler or just use this trick. Take a clay pot and pour water into it. The goal here is gentle, in direct heat. We're not trying to cook anything, just get it warm enough to work with. Once the oils feel warm, it's time to introduce our musk. Sprinkle the powder in slowly and give it a gentle stir with a glass rod or spoon. You'll see the oil turn from clear to this milky liquid. Now, depending on the exact cube, it may not dissolve completely like sugar in water. You might have some tiny particles left suspended in the oil, and that's totally normal. Just keep stirring for a minute or two until it looks beautifully blended. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. We need to let the oil cool to room temperature so the fragrance can fully meld and stabilize. After about 30 minutes, it's time for the most satisfying step. I'm carefully pouring the oil into Beaker. The project is complete. We've turned a solid block of home fragrance into a liquid body oil. You can always add more of the musk powder if you want the oil to be thicker, richer, and more concentrated. I actually made two versions, one that's thick and dense, and another that's lighter and more fluid. Just pop it in a cool, dark spot and let the oils and musk get to know each other. It's worth the wait, I promise. The biggest question was longevity. Oil-based perfumes tend to cling to the skin longer than alcohol-based sprays, which can evaporate more quickly. And I can say, after applying this hours ago, the scent is definitely still there. It's softened and mellowed, but it's very much present. So, does the viral Musk Cube hack actually work? The answer is a huge 100% yes. Once it's had time to rest, your body musk is ready to go. The texture is just so silky. You only need a tiny bit on your pulse points, your wrists, behind your ears, the base of your neck. For the price of one cube and some oil, I've created a product that feels incredibly luxurious. To keep your liquid fresh, store it in a cool, dark place away from sunlight. The shelf life will depend on the carrier oils you use. Some, like sweet almond oil, last about a year, while jojoba oil can last 4 years. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to use musk cubes? Or what's another viral beauty hack you think I should try next? Let me know everything in the comments. And if you enjoyed this little experiment, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and you won't miss the next adventure. Thanks for joining me. Stay fragrant and I'll see you in the next one.